I need your advice on Rheem air conditioner troubleshooting.
That's funny, because the ones that fail their quality control get the Ruud label.
This is not a brand new unit, but it is not that old either.
If it is freezing up figuratively, consider getting a starter kit. If it is freezing up literally, you've got a refrigerant leak unless you're running the AC when you ought to run the heater.
If only I could fix everything on it by hitting the power button. That works on all the other smart appliances.
Hit the reset button, especially if you had power outages or brownouts that may have confused the control board.
I would if I could find it.
On many Rheem units, it is near the pressure switch, and if you do not know where that is, follow the 24-volt wire from the coil to the switches.
So reset it and hope that fixes the error.
It might, depending on the error code. For ones like the D notice, the thing is defrosting.
It is an air conditioner, not a furnace in a cold basement.
If your air conditioner has filters so clogged it cannot push cold air to the house and circulates wet chilled air around the condenser instead, you could get ice on the condenser. Some units have defrosters to fix that.
Changing the filters would fix that too.
A flashing D means that the defrosting is taking too long. Either the defrost control is miswired or failed to work.
Or you failed to change out the filter and thaw out the unit.
If you get a flashing one, it means the compressor is running too long. You either have too little refrigerant so it cannot do its job, or the thermostat is airing so it does not know when to stop.
Or you're running it when it is too cold to be running the AC.
If the unit is running all the time, you are either setting the thermostat too low or running out of refrigerant.
What else can I check?
If you have problems with a pressure control trip and get the 23 error code, it should try to restart the unit after pressure control closes the trip, but restarting it may need to be done.
At which point, it may be locked out or locked up.
At least then you'll have tried something you can do yourself instead of guilt-tripping over the cost of the service call. If the thing is cycling, though, check the thermostat to see if it is airing or just too close to the air vent.
Or if the kids are messing with it.
You could also check the wires for continuity or a damaged start capacitor.
The only thing along those lines I could diagnose myself is a fire barely burning on the AC control board, and another critter electrocuting itself chewing through the wires again.